Okay, we again have a, no we don't. The reason we don't have so many directions this time is because this is not a regular polygon on the base. I can tell because it's a 13 by 10 rectangle. But I'm still going to call it face A. I will exaggerate these dimensions, the difference in these dimensions, but in any case, the area of any rectangle or any parallelogram is base times height. So 13 multiplied by 10, the area of face A is 130. And we also have some different lateral faces because I can see they've got different bases and different heights. So we're going to need a face B and a face C this time. So let me sketch triangle B, which has a base of 10. This is B, and a height of 18. So the area of triangle B, which we use the 1/2 base times height, will be 1/2 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 18, or 5/18, which is 90. The area of that triangle is 90. The area of triangle C has a base of 13 and a height of 17. Well, that's unfortunate. All odd numbers. I'm going to take this down here where I have more space. The area of face C, again, is 1/2 base times height, but this time my base is 13 and my height is 17. And I cannot associate to my advantage very well because none of those are even. So let me just do 13 times 17 is 130, and 91 is 221, and half of 221, well, half of 220 is 110, and half of 1 is a half, so it must be 110.5. Something interesting will happen when we write our surface area formula. We again only have one base. By definition, any pyramid would only have one base. But area B, there's one here and there's one over here. Because if this is a rectangle, this is a base of 10, this must be a base of 10. So I've got two area B's, and for the same reason, two area C's. So area A was 130. Area B was 90, so I have two 90s. And two of these, two 110s, 2 multiplied by 110.5. And the reason I said that was going to work out well, when I double the 0.5, when I double half, I get 1. And so I get 220 plus 1 is 221, which was the product here. So if you got clever and just realized you were going to have two of those triangles and left out the half, that would work also. 2 90s is 180. 130 and 180 is 310, and 310 and 221 is 531 centimeters squared for number 4, which is right here. And I've forgotten to keep track of which other ones we found. We found 340 and 136, and I believe the last one 648. So I've got KBOO, KBOO. All right, number 5. Let me circle KBOO.